Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best corner clamps that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Swimmiest 90 degrees right angle adjustable corner clamp. The compatibility of the corner clamp is a consideration when shopping for the products. Here is a great selection of corner clamps recommended for boards with a thickness of 5 to 19 mm, hence highly reliable for most applications. Moreover, they allow for faster and simple fixing of frames and boards, hence a great option to try out. That said, the corner clamps are favorite mounting aids for gluing or screwing, thus a pick you will find appropriate for most applications. Also, these corner clamps have dimensions of 3.35 by 3.15 by 2.28 inches to serve better. Built from the highest quality of plastic, these products are highly durable and sturdy to withstand prolonged use. Moreover, they are single-hand operated products you can easily hold for amazing services. You can apply these products on T-joints and corners to hold woodworks, welding, drilling, and boxes among others. Moving on at number 4, we have Seacasimer 90 degrees corner clamps. Here is a set of 4 pieces of corner clamps you will find the ideal for your needs. The clamps are very sturdy and stable thanks to the premium durable ABS plastic plus steel springs used in the construction. Apart from this, the clamps are ergonomically designed to allow for simple one-hand operation, hence amazing options to try out. Also, the corner clamps have adjustable sizes to provide custom fits for most applications. Additionally, they are great sets for arts and crafts, ideal for woodworking projects, picture frames, and mailboxes among others. These products are simpler to set up, and with the smooth strong springs, they offer higher precision to keep the boards safe and stable. More interestingly, these clamps are perfect for boards with thicknesses of 3/16 inches to 3/4 inches to serve better. You will find them great for 90 degrees corners and T-joints, thus amazing options to consider. At number 3, we have DreamColor Zinc alloy corner clamps. The construction of the corner clamp determines longevity and stability. Here is a set of corner clamps made from quality zinc alloy metal to withstand prolonged use and ensures better stability. Besides this, the corner clamps are highly versatile and convenient for handling most applications. You can apply these products to hold welding, woodwork, box, and cabinet among others. Moreover, they are simpler and easy to set up using a single hand. Additionally, they have reinforced connection designs that aid in hindering the excessive forces that result from breaking. Also, these corner clamps feature 2 countersunk mount holes plus steel threaded vice screws to allow for simpler, easy installation. The 90 degrees corner clamps are right-angle products that allow for great stability at the corner. Lastly, they are available at relatively lower prices to offer value for money. At number 2, we have Weddles angle clamped 90 degrees aluminum alloy clamps. In case you need the ideal set of corner clamps, this set from Weddles is a consideration to have in mind. The product has a 90 degrees design to work perfectly in corners. Moreover, the product is ergonomically designed to allow for easy operation, and with a wide clamping range of 2.75 inches to 3.74 inches, you will find it a great option to get for most applications. The corner clamps are very sturdy because of premium quality aluminum material built, making it a nice option to guarantee extended use. Moreover, the corner clamp is highly versatile for framing, drilling, welding, and making cabinets among others, hence a pick you may try out for everyday applications. And finally at number 1, House Solution right angle clamp. For the ultimate selection of a corner clamp, here is a nice option you may consider. This corner clamp is a nice option built from quality aluminum alloy die casting material to serve longer. Besides this, the product has a wider clamping range, variable from 2.68 to 3.74 inches, making it a pick that provides amazing services. It also comes in a variety of colors to pick the ideal color option. That said, The corner clamp has an ergonomic jaw design that allows for simple rotation in 2 ways. You will find it appropriate for woodworking, cabinet making, and nailing among others. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.